Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is about shine your eyes well. Shine your eyes. Women, let us shine our eyes. Let us open our eyes. Let us know our right. Let us know what God made us to be. We are not slaves. God didn't make woman as a slave. God make us as a helper. So we can be as a helper and we go there as a helper. As God say it, nobody will change it that woman is a helper. The men cannot change it. So far God not change us as a helper, and men cannot change it that we women, we are not a helper. We are a helper. God not made us to be a slave for men. No. So we need to stand and we need to know our right. So that they will know that we are a helper to them, not a slave. Because it's too much. What they go on is too much between men and women. All over the world. Especially this Europe. You will see women, they suffer. They born children, they carry children. And the man go there one side, go they collect the woman money. Only what thing you need is to collect the benefit of the child. So what you wanna think say we women, what you wanna think say we be men? You go give a girl, you go see a girl, you will promise the girl that you love the girl and you want to spend rest of your life with the girl. By the time when you give the girl one belle, two belle, when she born one pikin, second pikin, you will change your character. You will change your system. You will look at her say, this girl self, her life don't already finish. So far she don't born one, born two, anything where I use her do, she cannot do anything because she don't have anywhere to go. Her life don't already finish. Who go fit carry am and who go fit marry am na life. Don't think say maybe because of the woman give birth to two children for you, or one pikin for you, two pikin for you, three pikin for you, maybe say her life don't finish. Her life never finish. May una stop to the treat women bad, please. I beg una, my brothers. May una stop to the treat women bad just because of children benefit. What in be children benefit? What in be money? Money can go. Money will come and go. Please, the way you guys love money, may una still love una children and love una women. May una see whether that money no go dey times 10 where una need or times 100 where una want to get it. How person go just dey wetin be im own plan be say na only to just deceive another person pikin, just to the born for am, make just dey lie, dey travel go another country, go stay, dey wait make that person collect children benefit and give him. And when you give him that children benefit, he will not appreciate it. He will still dey against you. You will take that children benefit and you will not still appreciate the woman who that give birth to that child will make you have that children benefit. It's too much, my Nigerian people. It's too much. May we still have respect. May we still have respect to our own wives them. May we not have respect for our wife. May we not know say that woman where we not think say maybe we not want just turn her life to be useless. May we not know say now the same woman like her na ain't give birth to now. Without that woman, you guys can never be alive. Sometimes may we not look, may we not use una own mama them. What in una mama them take suffer? May we not use them so that we not go respect the women that live with una. May we not know they look them like say they be slave. If you come social media, only what you go to see for social media. This person, children benefit don't give problem of this family. Children benefit don't make this man don't pursue in wife. Children benefit don't make this one don't kill in wife. Now only children benefit now they keep people for Europe. When I no go find work, may una go find work, may una no dey depend for this children benefit. Okay, now if una dey depend for children benefit, what if the government call letter draw that children benefit to not give una? Now be say love no go dey. Now be say una no go marry those women again. Now be say without the children benefit, love no day. Now children benefit, now make love con join una. Now make you love your wife because of children benefit. Come on, may una stop to dey do this thing. May una stop it. Me una bring una heart and love una woman without children benefit. Okay, if the woman not have that baby, how can you get the children benefit? I'm asking you guys. I'm not causing anybody. I'm not addressing anybody that what you guys are doing is not good. But I'm still advising you for una to get respect for una wife them. Me una they appreciate them. Even if they collect that benefit, give una. Me una still appreciate them. Me una appreciate them. Not to disgrace them after taking the benefit. You will disgrace them. Last time, a lady called me. She told me that she live in Germany here, and her husband live in Sweden. So the man take the woman, put her in the camp, and went to Sweden. And the woman document died in that Germany. The woman document died, and he still live with his own document for Sweden, and he's waiting the wife to collect the children benefit so that he can come back and take the money. And after taking the money, we go back to Sweden. And the woman there for Germany without document, she's waiting Germany government to give her document. And which you know as a man, as the father of those children, you know that Germany cannot give that lady document. You know they cannot give her because they have already know where she first go and stay. But it's sweet to you for inside your mind that you have document, that your wife not have document. It's sweet to you for your mind, for you to go and sit there and be wearing Versace and Gucci and leave that lady there with 2 children or 3 children suffering to keep the money for you. If the lady asks you how much with the money, you will tell the lady said that I use it to build a house. I use it, I'm keeping the money in Africa. Now every day you are keeping money in Africa. You don't take care of those children. You don't take this money and take care of the children. Every time you keep the money in Africa, every time you keep the money in Africa, and when the lady wants to talk, you shut up the lady mouth for them to not talk. It's not good. We need to get sense. We need to get sense. I know say we women sometimes our own brain, I don't know. We don't think, because if we love somebody, we give that person all our mind. That is a woman for you. But not because of say our mind is too soft for you guys. If we not just see us, we not go use us and dump us. It's not good like that. You think that if you collect children benefit, after you collecting children benefit, you will throw away that lady after you done. You throw away the lady and move on, and you think that the life will be good for you. No. Nobody will betray person and it will go to move within life, and that life will remain the same as you want them. Nobody. Except if you find that lady and ask her forgiveness. May we not stop, because anything you do that lady, so far the lady have your kid, your children, you do it for yourself. Remember that anything you do, mother of your children, you do it for yourself. If you do good, you do it for yourself. If you do bad, you do it for yourself. Not only she. So may we not stop to the ask women children benefit. May we not go work. Who said that work not there for Europe? We are working in Europe. Who tell you say work not there, except if you not go find work? Even if you don't have document, you will see black work to work. Stop depending for children benefit, please. Enough is enough. I'm not saying that all men are lazy to work. No, no men are lazy to work. Some men like to work, and some men didn't want to work. Then just waiting for that children benefit. And that children benefit tie them down for them to not go out and look for work. And disturbing women up and down. Please. May we not stop this thing. Thank you. May God bless you now. This is where I will stop this video now. See you now on my next video.